Sir, alright, busy talaga. Ito joke lang. Para lang tayo ng safety pins or ng Paris libre within 1 minute. Ready? Tapos yung kamay mo ang mechanics bawal, alam mo na, bawal ang hard-boiled. Okay. Wait, kailan ka ready? Pag-ready ko yan. Hindi kayo mag-promise yung hard-boiled. Ready? There we go sila. Ready? Straight up, sabi ni Charles, straight mo yung katawan mo. Straight na yan. Wala ka ni Charles. Ready? Your 1 minute has already lapsed. Thank you. Tapos na pala. Your timer starts now.